Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Typeform responses for product feedback, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Typeform website. Log into your Typeform account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the form you want to gather feedback on. Click on the form title to open the form editor. In the left sidebar, find and select the Connect panel. Scroll down until you see the Integration section. Click on the Add Integration button. Search for and select the platform where you want to send your responses, such as Google Sheets or Slack. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen platform to Typeform. Once connected, choose the specific actions you want to take for new responses. Configure the settings according to your preferences. For example, if using Google Sheets, select the spreadsheet where responses will be stored. If using Slack, choose the channel where you want notifications to be sent. Save your integration settings by clicking the Save button. Now, return to your form and click on the Share tab. Copy the link provided in the Share Your Typeform section. Distribute this link to your intended audience to start collecting feedback. After responses begin flowing in, check your connected platform for real-time updates. Monitor the feedback to gain valuable insights for your product. Adjust your settings as necessary based on your ongoing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.